Airport luggage claim.
Excuse me, I cannot find my suitcase on this belt.
I can help you. Which flight did you arrive on?
I arrived on flight 199 from Madrid.
What does your suitcase look like?
It is dark blue and medium size. It has a yellow tag on the handle.
Do you have your baggage receipt?
Yes, here it is. I kept it with my passport.
Good. Let me check the number in the system.
I was worried because the belt stopped moving.
I understand. Sometimes a bag goes to a different belt by mistake.
Is there another belt for this flight?
Yes. Some bags from your flight are on belt 6.
Oh, I was waiting at belt 4 the whole time.
It happens often. The screen changed about 10 minutes ago.
I did not notice the new number.
No problem. Your bag may still be there. Would you like me to walk with you?
Yes, please. I do not know this airport very well.
Follow me. Belt 6 is just past the information board.
I see a blue suitcase over there.
Does it have a yellow tag?
Yes, it does. That is my suitcase.
Great. Please check the name tag before you take it.
The name is mine. Thank goodness.
I'm glad we found it.
Thank you for helping me so quickly.
You're welcome. Do you need directions to the exit?
Yes, where is the taxi area?
Go straight, then turn left after the glass doors.
Perfect. Have a good day.
You too. Enjoy your trip.
I feel much calmer now.
I am happy I could help.
Job interview.
Good morning. I am here for the job interview.
Good morning. Please come in and have a seat.
Thank you.
We will keep the questions simple today.
That sounds good. Thank you for telling me.
First, could you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure, my name is Tom. I am friendly, careful, and ready to learn.
Nice. Why do you want this job?
I want this job because I like helping people and working with a team.
That is a good reason. Do you have any work experience?
Yes, I helped in a small office last summer.
What did you do there?
I answered simple emails, checked papers, and helped visitors at the front desk.
Good. This job also needs clear speaking and good time management.
I understand. I try to be on time every day.
What do you do when you have a problem at work?
First, I stay calm. Then I ask a clear question if I need help.
That is a smart answer. Can you work in the morning?
Yes, mornings are fine for me.
Can you also work some Saturdays?
Yes, if I know the schedule early.
That is fair. Do you have any questions about the position?
Yes. Is there training for new workers?
Yes, the first week is training. You will learn the computer system and daily tasks.
That makes me feel better.
You did well today, Tom. We will contact you soon.
Thank you for your time. I hope to hear from you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
I will check my email this week.
That is a good idea. Please check your phone too.
Coffee break at work.
Emma, do you have a minute for a short coffee break?
Yes, I do. I just finished my report.
Great. I need to stand up for a little while.
Same here. My eyes are tired from the computer.
The coffee machine is free now.
Good timing. What are you getting today?
Just black coffee. I have a long meeting later.
I will get tea. I already had coffee this morning.
How is your project going?
It is going well, but the last page needs more details.
Do you need help checking it?
Maybe after lunch. I want to read it once more first.
Sure. My meeting is at 2 o'clock, so I can help before that.
Thank you. How is your new schedule?
It is busy, but I like it. I know what to do each morning.
That makes the day easier.
Yes, yesterday was harder because I had 3 phone calls at the same time.
That sounds stressful.
It was, but I wrote each message on a note.
Good idea. Small notes help a lot.
Do you want to sit near the window?
Yes, the light is nice there.
The office is quieter today.
Many people are in the training room.
That explains it. It feels peaceful for once.
We should enjoy these 5 minutes.
I agree. A short break can make the afternoon better.
After this, I will finish my report.
And I will prepare my meeting notes.
Good plan. Let's go back in 5 minutes.
Deal. Thanks for the break.
A small break can save a busy day.
Yes, now I can think more clearly.
Museum audio guide.
Hi, I would like to use an audio guide for the museum.
Of course, we have audio guides in several languages.
Do you have one in simple English?
Yes, we do. It is made for visitors who want clear explanations.
That is perfect. I am still learning English.
Great. You can learn English the easy way on the Learn English with Daniel channel.
I know it. The lessons are easy to follow.
The audio guide speaks slowly and uses easy words.
How much does it cost?
It is $5 for the whole visit.
That is fine. How does it work?
Each room has a number on the wall. You press the same number on the guide.
So if I see number 12, I press 12?
Exactly. Then you will hear information about the art in that room.
Do I need headphones?
Yes, the headphones are included.
Good. Can I stop the recording if I need more time?
Yes, you can press pause, then play again.
That is useful. I like to look at pictures slowly.
Many visitors do. The first room is about city history.
Is photography allowed?
Yes, but no flash, please.
I understand. No flash.
Also, please return the audio guide at this desk before you leave.
I will. What time does the museum close?
It closes at 6 o'clock, so you have about 2 hours.
That should be enough for me.
Here is your audio guide and a small museum map.
Thank you. This will help me understand more.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
Thanks. I am excited to start.
The first painting is very popular.
Then I will begin with that room.
Good choice.
Volleyball game.
Emma, the volleyball court is open now.
Great. The other team is already warming up.
I am a little nervous. They look strong.
Do not worry. We just need to play simple and stay focused.
Should I serve first?
Yes, but keep the serve easy. Put the ball over the net.
I can do that. I do not want to hit it too hard.
Good. A safe serve is better than a lost point.
Where should I stand after I serve?
Move to the back right side. I will cover the middle.
Okay, if the ball comes high, should I call it?
Yes. Say mine loudly so I know you will take it.
That is helpful. I forget to speak sometimes.
Communication is important in volleyball.
The referee is calling the teams.
Let's take our places.
The crowd is small, but they are loud.
I can hear our classmates cheering.
That makes it more exciting.
Here comes the ball. Ready?
Ready. I will serve now.
Nice serve. It went over the net.
They are sending it back.
Mine. I will pass it.
Good pass. I can set it to you.
Perfect. I will hit it gently.
It landed inside the line.
We got the first point.
That gives me confidence.
See? Simple play works.
Let's keep our eyes on the ball.
And let's keep talking.
This game is already fun.
Yes. And we are just getting started.
I will remember to call the ball.
Great. Clear words help the whole team.
Pharmacy counter.
Excuse me, I need something for a sore throat.
I can help you. How long have you had it?
Since yesterday morning, it hurts when I speak.
Do you also have a fever?
No, I do not think so. I just feel tired.
Do you have a cough?
A small cough, but not all the time.
Okay, we have throat lozenges and a simple throat spray.
Which one is easier to use?
The lozenges are very easy. You let one melt slowly in your mouth.
That sounds fine. How often can I take them?
One every 2 or 3 hours, but do not take too many in one day.
I understand. Is there a sugar-free kind?
Yes, this box is sugar-free.
Good. I will take that one.
You should also drink warm water or tea.
I can do that. Should I see a doctor?
If you get a fever, strong pain, or if it lasts many days, yes.
Okay. For now, I will try the lozenges.
Do you need anything else, maybe tissues?
Yes, a small pack of tissues would help.
Here you go. The lozenges and tissues are $7.
Can I pay by card?
Yes. Please tap your card here.
Done.
Here is your receipt. Read the directions on the box before using them.
I will. Thank you for explaining everything clearly.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. I will rest and drink warm tea tonight.
That sounds like a good plan.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Buying fruit at the market.
These apples look fresh. How much are they?
They are $2 a pound today.
That sounds good. Are they sweet?
Yes, they are sweet and crisp. Many people like them for snacks.
I will take 4 apples, please.
Sure. Do you want red apples or green apples?
2 red and 2 green, please.
Okay. Anything else today?
I also need bananas. Are these ripe?
These yellow ones are ready to eat today.
Good. I need fruit for breakfast tomorrow.
Then bananas are a nice choice.
How much are the strawberries?
One small box is $4.
They smell really good.
They came in this morning.
I will take 1 box.
Great. Let me weigh the apples and bananas.
Thank you. I like this market because the fruit looks clean.
We try to keep everything fresh.
Do I need to wash the strawberries at home?
Yes, please wash them gently with cold water before eating.
I will. What is the total?
The total is $9.50.
Can I pay in cash?
Yes, cash is fine.
Here is $10.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Could I have a small bag?
Of course. I will put the fruit in this paper bag.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the fruit.
I will. Have a nice day.
Come early next time for the best fruit.
I will remember that.
Phone screen problem.
Hello, my phone screen is not working well.
I can take a look. What happens when you touch it?
Sometimes it works, but sometimes it does nothing.
Did the phone fall recently?
Yes, it fell from my desk yesterday.
I see a small crack near the bottom.
Is that why the screen is slow?
It could be. The touch sensor may be damaged.
Can you repair it today?
We can replace the screen, but it will take about 2 hours.
2 hours is okay. How much will it cost?
For this model, the screen repair is $80.
Is the new screen good quality?
Yes, we use a good replacement screen. It also has a short warranty.
What does the warranty cover?
It covers screen problems from the repair, but not a new drop or water damage.
That makes sense. Do you need my password?
No, we do not need your password for the screen repair.
Good. I want my personal information to stay private.
Of course, we respect that.
Should I turn the phone off?
Yes, please turn it off before you leave it here.
Done. Do I get a receipt?
Yes, Here's the repair ticket. Please bring it when you come back.
What time should I return?
Come back around 3:30.
Okay, I will come back then.
We will call your backup number if there is any problem.
Thank you. I hope the screen works again.
We will do our best.
I will keep the repair ticket in my wallet.
Good. That will make pickup faster.
Group study at home.
Emma, thanks for coming over to study.
I can come anytime. The exam is close, so we need a good plan.
I made some space on the table.
Great. I brought my notebook and flashcards.
I also made tea. It is on the kitchen counter.
Thank you. Let's start with vocabulary first.
Good idea. Vocabulary is my weakest part.
We can read each word and make one simple sentence.
That helps me remember better.
Here is the first word, careful.
My sentence is, please be careful with the glass.
Nice sentence. Now the word is quiet.
The library is quiet in the morning.
Good. You are doing well.
Thanks. What about grammar after this?
Yes, we should review past tense for 15 minutes.
I always forget irregular verbs.
Many students do. Let's write 5 common ones.
Go, went, eat, ate, see, saw.
Good. Also, buy, bought, and take, took.
I will write those in my notebook.
After grammar, we can practice a short speaking question.
Like, what did you do yesterday?
Exactly. You can answer in 3 simple sentences.
Yesterday I studied English, I cooked dinner, I watched a movie.
Very good. That is clear and natural.
I feel more ready now.
Me too. Let's study for 10 more minutes, then take a short break.
Deal. This group study is helping a lot.
Yes, studying together makes it easier.
Next time, we can review listening too.
Good idea. One skill at a time.
Park picnic basket.
Emma, this looks like a perfect place for a picnic.
I agree. The grass is dry and the trees give nice shade.
I will put the blanket here.
Good. I will open the picnic basket.
What did you bring?
I brought sandwiches, apples, cookies, and 2 bottles of water.
That sounds great. I brought orange juice and paper cups.
Perfect. We have everything we need.
The park is busy, but it still feels calm.
Yes, families are walking and children are playing near the fountain.
Do you want a sandwich first?
Yes, please. Which one is this?
This one has cheese and tomato.
Nice. I will take that one.
I have chicken and lettuce.
Did you bring napkins?
Yes, they are in the side pocket of the basket.
Good. The wind is a little strong today.
I will put the water bottles on the blanket corners.
Smart idea. Then the blanket will not move.
After we eat, do you want to walk around the lake?
Yes, but slowly. I want to enjoy the weather.
Same here. The sky is clear and it is not too hot.
This is much better than staying inside all afternoon.
I agree. A simple picnic can make the weekend feel special.
Look at that small dog near the path. It looks happy.
Everyone seems happy today.
Let's take one photo of the basket before we eat.
Good idea. It looks colorful.
Okay, now let's enjoy the food.
Yes, picnic time starts now.
After lunch, we can clean up together.
Of course, we should keep the park clean.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.